Have you ever forgotten a friend's name mid-conversation? Or walked into a room and couldn't remember why? These small lapses may feel harmless, but over time, they can chip away at your confidence, and may signal your brain needs better nourishment. I'm Dr. Emily Carter, geriatrician with 15 years of experience, and here on Wellness 60 to 100, I help adults over 60 use food as medicine to sharpen thinking, calm the nervous system, and reclaim energy, naturally. Many people assume memory loss is just part of aging. But science tells a different story. The brain thrives when given the right fuel. And that fuel comes from simple, vitamin-rich meals you can prepare in your own kitchen. Today, I'll show you 3 powerful recipes that do more than fill your stomach. They deliver essential nutrients like B vitamins, omega-3s, antioxidants, and magnesium to help protect neurons, reduce inflammation, and enhance cognitive clarity. If you've been feeling mentally foggy, emotionally drained, or just not quite yourself, don't ignore it. Your next meal could be the beginning of a sharper, calmer, more focused you. This episode is all about healthy aging through daily nutrition, not complicated plans or expensive supplements. Just real food with real impact. Let's get started with the first brain-boosting recipe your neurons will thank you for. Let's begin with a classic that's as simple as it is powerful: a spinach and egg scramble. This quick morning meal takes under 10 minutes to prepare, yet delivers a potent dose of brain-friendly nutrients that support memory, focus, and mental calm. Why it works? Eggs are one of the best natural sources of vitamin B12, choline, and vitamin D, nutrients critical for protecting the myelin sheath around your neurons and supporting neurotransmitter production. Choline, in particular, helps form acetylcholine, a brain chemical essential for memory and concentration. Spinach brings in folate, B9, and magnesium, which support mood balance, energy production, and help reduce neuroinflammation. It also contains antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which may help slow age-related cognitive decline. What you'll need: 2 large pasture-raised eggs, 1 cup fresh spinach or half a cup cooked, 1 teaspoon olive oil or grass-fed butter, pinch of sea salt and black pepper. Optional: diced tomatoes, mushrooms, or a sprinkle of turmeric. How to prepare: 1. Heat oil or butter in a non-stick skillet over medium heat. 2. Add spinach and sauté until just wilted, about 1 to 2 minutes. 3. Crack in eggs and scramble gently until just set. 4. Season with salt, pepper, and herbs as desired. Why it's ideal for seniors. This dish is soft, easy to chew, quick to make, and low in sugar, perfect for older adults with changing appetites or digestive sensitivities. Plus, it pairs well with whole grain toast or avocado slices for a more complete brain-fueling breakfast. Pro tip: eat your scramble with a small glass of fortified plant milk or freshly squeezed orange juice to enhance B12 and folate absorption. And for extra brain protection, sprinkle a little turmeric or black sesame seeds for anti-inflammatory support. Bottom line: starting your day with eggs and spinach isn't just healthy, it's smart. This recipe supports memory retention, reduces brain fog, and helps calm the nervous system, setting you up for a clearer, more focused day ahead. When it comes to brain health, few meals check as many boxes as a well-crafted Salmon-Avocado Bowl. This colorful, satisfying dish delivers a rich combination of omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin E, vitamin D, and magnesium, all of which work together to calm the brain and sharpen mental clarity. Why it works? Wild-caught salmon is loaded with DHA, the most important omega-3 for brain structure and function. DHA makes up a large portion of the gray matter in your brain and supports the fluidity of neural membranes, key for fast, efficient communication between brain cells. Meanwhile, avocado adds monounsaturated fats, vitamin E, and magnesium. These nutrients fight oxidative stress, reduce inflammation, and support neurotransmitter balance, helping regulate mood, attention span, and sleep cycles. What you'll need: 4 ounces wild-caught cooked salmon, baked or grilled, 1/2 ripe avocado sliced, half a cup cooked brown rice or quinoa, Half a cup shredded red cabbage or carrots. 1 tablespoon olive oil or tahini dressing. Optional toppings: sesame seeds, fresh dill, lemon juice. How to prepare. 1. Start with a base of rice or quinoa in a bowl. 2. Add the cooked salmon and avocado slices on top. 3. Layer in your favorite colorful veggies, raw or lightly steamed. 4. Drizzle with olive oil, lemon juice, or tahini dressing. 5. Sprinkle sesame seeds for texture and a calcium boost. Why it's ideal for seniors. This bowl is balanced, easy to digest, and flexible. The healthy fats from both salmon and avocado support brain cell repair and emotional stability. Plus, it's rich in anti-inflammatory compounds, which are crucial for preventing age-related cognitive decline. Pro tip: aim to eat fatty fish like salmon 2 to 3 times per week. If fish isn't an option, consider sardines or a plant-based alternative like flaxseed-enhanced tofu. Bottom line, the Salmon-Avocado Bowl isn't just delicious, it's brain fuel. With every bite, you're giving your mind the healthy fats, antioxidants, and minerals it needs to stay focused, resilient, and calm, at any age. Sometimes the most powerful brain foods come in the sweetest packages. A Berry Yogurt Parfait is more than just a pretty dessert. It's a science-backed blend of antioxidants, probiotics, and vitamins that help reduce inflammation in the brain, enhance memory, and even boost mood. Why it works? Berries, especially blueberries, strawberries, and blackberries, are loaded with anthocyanins, a class of antioxidants shown to improve cognitive function, protect neurons, and delay age-related memory decline. These colorful compounds cross the blood-brain barrier and help fight oxidative stress, one of the biggest culprits in brain aging. Pair that with Greek yogurt, a rich source of protein, calcium, and probiotics, and you've got a gut-brain support system. A healthy gut microbiome plays a vital role in reducing inflammation and producing neurotransmitters like serotonin and GABA, key to emotional balance and mental clarity. What you'll need: half a cup plain Greek yogurt, full fat or 2%. Half a cup mixed berries, fresh or frozen blueberries, strawberries, raspberries. 1 tablespoon chia seeds or ground flaxseed. 1 tablespoon chopped walnuts or almonds. Optional: drizzle of honey, pinch of cinnamon. How to prepare. 1. Spoon half the yogurt into a bowl or glass. 2. Layer in half the berries, sprinkle some chia seeds and nuts. 3. Repeat the layers with remaining yogurt, berries, and toppings. 4. Add a light drizzle of honey or cinnamon for natural sweetness. Why it's ideal for seniors. This dish is easy to eat, nutrient-dense, and digestion-friendly. It can be enjoyed for breakfast, a midday snack, or even dessert. The combination of healthy fats, protein, and antioxidants makes it a perfect all-in-one brain booster. Pro tip: use organic berries when possible, and if using frozen, let them thaw for maximum flavor and nutrition. Want a dairy-free version? Use coconut or almond-based yogurt with added live cultures. Bottom line, the Berry Yogurt Parfait is delicious, versatile, and deeply nourishing. It delivers memory-protective antioxidants, supports gut-brain health, and offers a refreshing way to satisfy both your sweet tooth and your neurons. Individually, each of the 3 recipes, Spinach and Egg Scramble, Salmon-Avocado Bowl, and Berry Yogurt Parfait, offers targeted nutritional support for the brain. But when integrated into your weekly routine, they form a complete strategy for sharper memory, reduced brain fog, and improved emotional balance. Let's start with breakfast. The Spinach and Egg Scramble provides vitamin B12, choline, and folate, all essential for neurotransmitter production and the maintenance of healthy nerve cells. These nutrients work to protect the myelin sheath and improve communication between brain cells, helping you retain information and stay mentally agile throughout the day. Then comes the Salmon-Avocado Bowl, typically consumed at lunch. This recipe delivers omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin E, magnesium, and monounsaturated fats. Omega-3s, especially DHA, have been shown to enhance brain plasticity and reduce inflammation in critical areas like the hippocampus, the center of memory. Combined with magnesium and healthy fats, this meal supports sustained focus and helps regulate mood, making it especially useful during midday slumps. Finally, the Berry Yogurt Parfait provides antioxidants like anthocyanins, probiotics, calcium, and protein to close out the day. The antioxidants fight oxidative stress in the brain, while probiotics foster a healthy gut microbiome, which plays a vital role in producing mood-related neurotransmitters. Together, this combination promotes restful sleep, emotional stability, and mental clarity the next morning. What makes this trio so effective is the nutrient synergy, a nutritional overlap that allows vitamins and minerals to work together more efficiently. B vitamins improve the absorption of omega-3s. Vitamin E enhances the protective effects of antioxidants. Probiotics improve folate and magnesium utilization. For older adults over 60, this rotation helps fill in common nutrient gaps that contribute to memory lapses, slow processing, and fatigue. It also reduces inflammation, stabilizes blood sugar, and supports calm nervous system activity, all without supplements or medications. In short, these recipes aren't just meals. They're a brain-boosting routine designed to support clear thinking and balanced emotions. Think of it as daily maintenance for your mind, built right into your plate. To maximize the brain-boosting effects of these recipes, it's not just what you eat, but when and how often you eat it, that makes the difference. For adults over 60, the brain's nutrient uptake and metabolic rhythm change throughout the day. This makes strategic meal timing essential to restoring focus, supporting memory, and promoting calm. Morning, 7 to 9 a.m. Start with the Spinach and Egg Scramble. Morning is when your brain is most insulin sensitive and ready for nutrient absorption. B12, folate, and choline help kickstart neurotransmitter production and improve morning alertness. This dish is ideal after waking to reduce mental fog and build momentum for the day. Midday, 12 to 1:30 p.m. The Salmon-Avocado Bowl works best as lunch. Midday cortisol dips can lead to sluggish focus or irritability. Omega-3s and magnesium help stabilize mood and sustain energy through the afternoon. Pairing this with complex carbs like quinoa or brown rice prevents post-lunch crashes. Evening, 5:30 to 7 p.m. The Berry Yogurt Parfait is perfect for dinner or a light evening snack. Rich in antioxidants and probiotics, it supports gut-brain communication and promotes serotonin production. This helps wind down the nervous system and improve sleep quality without feeling heavy before bed. Weekly rotation plan. To avoid taste fatigue, try rotating the recipes like this. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, full 3-meal plan. Tuesday, Saturday, mix 1 or 2 of the meals with your regular favorites. Sunday, use the parfait as a breakfast or dessert, and go lighter with proteins. Customization tips. Vegetarian? Swap salmon for grilled tempeh or omega-3 fortified tofu. Dairy sensitive? Use coconut or almond yogurt with live cultures. Pre-diabetic? Choose low-glycemic berries, like raspberries, and reduce added honey. By matching meal timing to your brain's natural rhythms and adjusting recipes to your preferences, you turn food into a daily neurological support system. This consistency delivers cumulative benefits: fewer memory lapses, better sleep, more emotional stability. This isn't a strict diet, it's a practical brain care rhythm for healthy aging you can stick to. While the 3 recipes we've covered are designed for brain support, they may need to be adapted for individual dietary needs. Whether you're managing diabetes, have food sensitivities, or follow a vegetarian lifestyle, small ingredient swaps can help you enjoy the benefits without compromising your health. 1. For people with diabetes or pre-diabetes. Blood sugar stability is crucial for cognitive clarity. Choose low-glycemic berries like raspberries and blackberries for the parfait. Replace brown rice in the Salmon-Avocado Bowl with cauliflower rice or quinoa in moderate portions. Avoid added honey or sweetened yogurt. Opt for plain Greek yogurt or unsweetened plant-based alternatives. These changes help reduce blood sugar spikes while still delivering antioxidants and brain-supporting fats. 2. For dairy-free diets or lactose intolerance. Use unsweetened coconut yogurt, almond yogurt, or soy yogurt with live cultures in the parfait. Look for products fortified with calcium and vitamin D. Ensure any non-dairy alternative still contains active probiotics to maintain gut-brain communication. Avoid flavored options with added sugars. 3. For vegetarians or pescatarians, if salmon isn't part of your diet, replace it with grilled tempeh, edamame, or omega-3 enriched tofu. These plant-based proteins provide magnesium and healthy fats, though not as much DHA as fish. To compensate, consider incorporating flaxseed oil, chia seeds, or walnuts regularly. For ovo-vegetarians, eggs remain a top-tier brain food and should be kept in rotation if tolerated. 4. For people on low-sodium or cardiac diets, limit added salt in cooking and use herbs like turmeric, garlic, dill, or lemon zest to enhance flavor without increasing blood pressure risk. Always check that smoked salmon or other prepackaged proteins are labeled low sodium. 5. For reduced appetite or dental concerns, all 3 recipes can be softened or blended slightly for easier chewing. Spinach can be steamed longer, and berries mashed into the yogurt. This ensures older adults with chewing limitations still get the nutrients without skipping meals. Conclusion: healthy eating isn't one size fits all. These recipes are flexible and safe when adapted thoughtfully. By honoring dietary restrictions while preserving nutrient integrity, you support long-term brain health, without stress, guesswork, or sacrificing taste. Smart nutrition is personalized. And healthy aging is most powerful when it works with your body, not against it. Ignoring brain-supportive nutrition after 60 doesn't always lead to immediate symptoms, but over time, the consequences quietly build. Frequent forgetfulness, slower reaction times, disrupted sleep, and emotional imbalance can all stem from vitamin and nutrient gaps. Without strategic meals that nourish the brain, these issues often escalate into chronic fatigue, anxiety, or even early cognitive decline. Many seniors chalk it up to normal aging, when in reality, their neurons are simply undernourished. The good news is that your brain remains highly responsive to targeted nutrition, even later in life. You don't need complicated protocols or expensive supplements. What you truly need is consistency. Meals that deliver omega-3s, B vitamins, antioxidants, and magnesium informs your body can absorb and use efficiently. As a geriatrician with 15 years of experience, I've seen remarkable improvements in focus, energy, and emotional resilience among patients who commit to simple, brain-friendly eating routines. That's why I recommend integrating these 3 recipes: Spinach and Egg Scramble, Salmon-Avocado Bowl, and Berry Yogurt Parfait, into your weekly schedule. They're not just tasty, they're therapeutic. It's never too late to reclaim your mental sharpness. The food you eat today becomes the brain you wake up with tomorrow. If you found this video helpful, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with someone you love. You might just help them prevent years of brain fog and unnecessary worry. Subscribe to Wellness 60 to 100 for more expert-backed nutrition strategies that support aging with strength, clarity, and dignity. Red heart like this video to show your support. Speechaloon, drop a comment below. Which recipe will you try first? Pushpin, and don't forget to check the description. We've included a free 7-day Brain Boost meal planner just for our subscribers. This is Wellness 60 to 100, where healthy aging begins with what's on your plate.